data can be exchanged between two different applications.
Okay.
So for example, if you have application 1 and application 2, you know, in real life it is possible or not? Yes, man. Now
Yes,
it is
it's
distributed
possible.
application. So this is assume this is one application which is dealing with only credit card, right? It is managing credit card, issuing the credit card, no, to the customers and all. And this is another application, right? This is related with internet banking. Hmm.
Mhm.
So we have two application. One is internet banking, and second deals with only credit card.
Credit card.
So let me show you. This is one, this is second. So requirement is credit card and internet banking application are both wants to exchange data
Information. Okay.
information. Internet banking. Are you with me? Yeah.
Mhm.
So this application wants to exchange data with this. So how is possible, man? So though if this application wants to talk to this application, you need to use some data exchange format. Are you following me?
Okay.
So this internet banking application, this is credit card
Application.
application. Internet banking application wants to, this is called intercommunication between two applications. This is called integration between two applications. You can say anything. So you need some common format, right? In which this application can send data, it reach to the other application can process it, and eventually it can send response back to it. And this data representation data which can exchange, it could be JSON.
JSON. Okay.
Hello, it could be XML, etc. Yeah, your question may be, now again, this application, why it is not sending data in HTML? If you send data in the HTML, right, nobody can parse it. HTML we use in order to render in the browser, not for data exchange. So who will tell me why I'm not using HTML here? Why we are not using HTML? Hmm? Any guess? Because
It does not use the
HTML,
same type.
HTML is not used to data exchange. HTML is basically used to represent the data.
Re-
Hmm?
So if you want to show the data in the browser, you can send in which format? XML format,
HTML.
sorry,
HTML.
HTML format,
Yep.
Yeah.
HTML. But here, you know, we are not going to represent the data. That is not purpose. We are going to
Okay.
fetch the raw data.
Okay.
Why we are fetching the raw data? We can process the data and we can show it in our style. Fine. For
So,
example,
so Nagendra, so basically in JSON, whatever the protocol the client or the server is following for the data, it will send the data on same format, right?
same format, right? Let me give you the example. Suppose you are just putting one application over here, right? One application. Hmm? So credit card is created. So in internet banking here, you know what I want to do? On my dashboard, what I will show you? I will show you all the information regarding internet banking, and I want to show the your credit card detail also. Hmm? What detail, man? Credit card. But credit card detail this application does not have its own. If you want to show here credit card detail, from where it will come? This application will make a call to the credit card application, and credit card application will give raw data, JSON data to it, and that JSON data further can be sent to the GUI. Hmm? Basically, in order to show credit card information on this application, it is borrowing the data from the other application. Hey, who will tell me why we need to exchange data in other format like JSON and XML?
Because you can easily
Format it,
I-
parse it, and you can show in your style. Fine.
Right.
So like here, I will borrow this application. Internet banking will borrow the data from credit card, but it will just borrow the raw data, and that data this internet banking application can show in his style. Mhm. Do you understand the purpose of exchanging data in JSON and XML format? Why?
So that means it's an application that fetch data on other application.
Can you come again?
I said that means internet banking, it's an application that fetch data on credit card application.
Exactly, data exchange. So if two application, see, if two applications are exchange, if two applications, any guess, are exchanging what? Data in JSON or XML format. What I said, if two applications are exchanging data in JSON or XML format, this style is called, this style is called web service. What is a web service? Web service is a technology which allows to exchange data between two applications in technology independent and platform independent manner. Web service is a technology.
That allows for web.
And web service is a technology means style. Web service is a technology which allows data exchange, same thing.
Exchange
Independent
information.
of technology.
Web service is a technology which allows data exchange between two
Like,
different applications, right? Web service allow technology which allow data exchange between two different applications in platform and language independent manner.
okay.
Language.
So does it mean it have to be JSON or XML or it
Yeah,
can
yeah,
be
yeah,
any
yeah,
any?
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, not any. That should be generic data representation format. Normally XML and JSON. Web service is a technology which allows data exchange between two applications in platform and language independent manner. You know what I'm saying? Its meaning is this application may be in Java. In which technology? Java.
Java.
And running on Windows machine.
Okay.
And this application may be in Python
Okay.
and running on Linux,
Mm.
right? Oh, it means two application can exchange data even they are in different platform means operating system.
Mm.
And language and technology means like technical Java and Python.NET. Hmm? Oh, what is the benefit of web service? Web service is a technology which allows, right? So normally what is the data representation format in this?
Java objects.
JSON and XML, man.
Text.
Hmm?
Text.
JSON and XML normally. You can do text also. Fine.
Okay.
And you understand the web service? Yep, yep, yep. And this web service comes into two flavor. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, you tell me, you understand the web service? What is the web service? Web service is a technology which allows me to exchange data between two applications in technology independent and platform independent manner.
Correct.
And this service comes into two flavor, man. REST and SOAP. Wow. REST and SOAP are two different kind of web service. Both does the same job. REST web service. Hmm. You can say REST web service, REST API, all are same. Second one is SOAP web service. Oh, so how many flavor of we have web service? How many flavor of web service we have?
Two. Two.
Two.
Two. And you know what web service is?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's
And both the, yeah, Pranjal. Pranjal, go ahead.
no. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. And here, REST web service is normally based on JAX RS specification. We'll talk about what JAX RS is. SOAP is normally based on JAX WS, right? This is the version of it. So this is the definition of web service, and I'm talking about REST web service. Sometimes you say REST API. So when I'm saying I'm designing REST API, I'm designing REST web service. Both are same. API design. Hmm? Okay. So Right now, your response is always in HTML format, right? You always, go to. So I'm going to design my REST API. I'll design in my code in such a way so that it can generate JSON data. And I told you already this cup of tea. Where is our cup? This
Form
is.
the XML.
Like here, nothing to do. In the Spring Boot REST API, you can make in couple of seconds.
Okay.
Really? Really. Let me show you. If you want
Exactly.
to make REST API, you have to design first of all a controller.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to design controller, see? Class. So you can give any name to it, right? I'm just making it profile. Hello, profile servers. You can give any name to it, right?
Okay.
And if you want to make REST API, then it should be annotated with REST controller.
That's
Please
fine.
remember it. I'm not using controller. I'm using REST controller because in this I'm going to exchange JSON data. Fine. So here you have to help me. Here you are auto wiring, right? Of course, man. My API is also going to auto wire the same thing. Fine. So what data I want to access? What data I want to expose as a raw data?
Right.
I'm going to expose my all the which data, man? All the
Credit
sign up
details.
data.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to do that. See my style. I need your help. Like here, oh my God, you say it is same. It is not same. Like here, when you call the method same, and this URL should be changed. So here, what I'm doing, hmm, like here, I'm going to use
Request mapping.
request mapping annotation. And basically, I want to add prefix in all the URL. You know what I'm saying? API, Pranjal. So any URL pattern which is having API, it is a part of it, right? Hmm. So when I say API slash sign up, we are talking about this. But here in this method, I'm not going to return JSP. You can directly return the JSON response. How, man? Whatever data is coming, this is Java object. Yes, and it is list of sign up. Are you with me? Like here, you can return directly what, man?
So you can return signups.
Java object, and the Java object will be automatically converted into JSON data.
JSON.
Oh, automatically? Yes, this is beauty of which framework? Spring Boot. If you allow to me, if you allow to me, this is called API. Why it is called API? This is called API. Why that's? Because when you hit this URL, it will give you raw data.
Okay.
Any URL which when you hit it, it gives you raw data. You can say it is API.
Yeah.
And why we design the API, we talked about. I'm going to design one more API,
Mm-hmm.
which can show a particular sign up, right? Allow
Yeah.
me. I'm going to design another API which can give me the data as per like
Article ID.
bro. Where signups.
Yeah.
Here you want to show not all the sign up. You want to show the particular sign up, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, difference between this and this. Here, when you type sign up, and you will say both URL are same, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. You will say both URL are same. I'll tell you.
One is post, one is.
Now both are.
No, no, both are get. But here, one thing is important. Eh, close this. Boring. Here you are going to return sign up. Hello. Sign up. But confusion is, this URL and this URL both are exactly same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Exactly same. So if you want to make the difference between this and this, right? I have something to show you. Like here you can use one parameters that is called. I'm just doing some syntax change. Okay. Like still both are same. If you write value equals to this, here you can write accept or you can write param, Pranjal.
Yeah.
Here you are saying If I'm typing this in request, I'm sending username, then this will match. Oh,
Right.
in this, you are hitting only sign up and you are not sending anything in the parameter, then this will be called. If you are sending anything in the parameter, then this will be called.
So is it kind of like constructor overriding, where if you send the username and signups, then it knows that it's different from just sending sign up?
Yeah. It is this and this are different in terms of only parameter. If you
Parameters.
are sending parameter username, then this will be mapped. If you are sending only you are hitting this URL, not sending anything. I would like to show you. Allow me. It's done. Oh, first time we are returning what, man? Java object. Earlier we were returning only
Views.
views. Earlier you were
Yes.
returning, yeah, giving the
Yeah.
name of the view. That was
Yes.
normally it was ASP, but it could be anything. Eh, if somebody would say we have a Spring Boot project and you have to make a REST API, how much time will take?
5 seconds.
You will say it will take a couple of, no, it depends on, right? A very requirement is big is fine,
Yeah,
but
it depends.
concept wise, it's just couple of seconds. How I can access my REST API? Same way, man. Allow me. Like here, everything will be same, right, man?
Yeah,
Hmm.
you pass the
But
parameter.
here, like in URL, you have to add API. But this will work like this, okay? It is not going to change.
Okay.
But if you want to fetch raw data, Pranjal, what you need to do? What you need to do? You would say go and open your controller.
Yep.
Hmm. And I mentioned it, everything same, but I mentioned API
Yep.
in prefix. So here
Right.
you have to, here when you type Google slash API
PI.
slash sign up, enter, raw data will come. Can you see the JSON data? Oh, you
Okay.
may be seeing it first time, right?
Yes.
So I will show you how JSON data looks like. If you want to fetch by username, then Pranjal and everything, you just use a question mark. This is
Yep.
called sending data in the parameter. You are
Hmm.
saying I'm interested in data of the user whose name is,
Yes.
Java Tech.
yeah,
Tech house.
done. Oh, it's filtering. No.
Okay.
But JSON data is looking like this. You see, in JSON data comes curly bracket open and close.
It
And
makes sense.
your key, your attribute will be in double quotes and colon value will be like this. If it is integers, without double quotes, comma. Oh, so basically, I would like to show you how this, you got my point? JSON data. Let me create a Java object and I will show you when this data is converted into JSON, then how it looks like. Let me show you. Are it me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So make a class, credit
Uh,
card,
application.
and I want to make Java object private, string name, visa, private, integer, CBB code, and private string expire date.
Okay.
Private string card holder name. Make sense? This is Java object. This Java object can be converted into
Text. JSON.
JSON. JSON protocol.
JSON. So when it is converted to JSON, how it looks like? If you convert this data into raw data, this is Java object is not raw data, man. Java object is
Not
live data.
raw
You
data.
can Java
Okay.
object is not raw data. Java object is
Live.
uh,
Live
live
data.
data, or you can say it is only present. It's only present inside
Inside
memory.
machine. Okay.
Memory means inside the RAM. RAM means
Okay.
JVM. So when you convert, you understand the way I'm teaching you. I want everybody should able to speak about it. Your actual training starts now. Now onwards, we are just going to work as a company, right? When you go to the company, you cannot say what is the JSON, what is the REST API. People will kill you.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
They will say, what are you talking about? Fine. So If basically my intention is converting the Java object into raw data. So for this we have a framework inbuilt. That framework is
Jackson.
called the Jackson
Jackson.
Mapper. Jackson Mapper, or you can use Google JSON, right? Google JSON, right? So both are the library framework to convert Java object into JSON and vice versa. So when you convert this data into JSON, you know how it looks like? Yep. Curly bracket open and close. This is JSON
Mhm.
format, and all the attribute will be in double quotes. That's and
Mm,
value, if
Name.
it is string, it will be also in double quote. Visa, comma, done.
mm,
Then CBB, and it is integer value. Then you can write 122. Then comma, sorry, 112. Then you can write
Expire date.
exp.
date colon. This
Colon.
is in double quotes.
Quotation.
11.
11 dot
22.
2020,
2020.
comma, card holder. Makes sense?
Yeah.
This is JSON data of it. If you have multiple list of credit card, you know how it looks like. For list of credit card, you will have the same thing. Can you see this? Multiple value and every comma separated. You see? And here
Mm,
you have to use bracket.
Square brackets. Yeah.
Yeah. This is one record and this is multiple record. Somebody is saying, what saying? He's saying, can you show me this? Yeah. This is last for today. Hey, whatever I'm teaching you, if you are not doing it, I know I'm wasting my time. Remember it. It is up to you. So here I'm going to make credit card, and let's put the same attribute. Ah, boring.
Rest.
Delete. When you
Rest.
private string. No, no, I'm designing this Pojo.
Okay, put.
Name equals like here value, no, no, value integer. I'm not going to take many fields because time. String is fine. CBB expiry date and card holder. This is Pojo. You guys are a
Yes,
fan
sir.
of Lombard.
Data.
Lombard is
Yeah.
with us. That's done.
mm,
Now you want to make a REST API. See, you can make a class credit card controller. You can give any name, right? Normally it is
Okay.
controller, but it must be annotated with
address
Rest.
controller. REST controller.
REST controller. REST
Yeah.
controller means this is going to generate only raw data.
Raw file.
And
Mm,
here you can use REST controller. And if you want to give some prefix, it is up to you. Then you can use
Request mapping.
request mapping because you want to give some prefix.
Mm-hmm.
Here I want to give v3. And see, you should be very, very lazy because I'm not going to do it. I don't have that much patience. So you just put it, and here you can write credits, credit card, hmm? Credit card. It's fine.
mm,
Credit card is one thing, right? I say credit cards. It's fine.
Yeah.
And here, see, there are a lot of syntax. Credit cards and get data. You're not. So you want to return one credit card or multiple credit card? It is up to you.
Yeah.
Like here, I'm in hurry. So basically, I want to show you something. This is fine. Bracket नहीं चाहिए. Okay, यहाँ पे you can do credit card. This is important because I was just giving support, right? You remember before your session. So in that we are defining the REST API. So in every project you have to design it. This is your daily job in the company. Fine. You got a point? Credit card. And tomorrow it will come from database. Today I'm going to just credit card holder name is you can give any name and dot CBB dot expiry. Done, man. No, but you want to see the output of it. Somebody saying, can you make a list also? Yeah, I can do that. So
Okay.
how you distinguish between this and this? Same fashion I just did before. Like here, you can send. I'll tell you, right? You can send. You can send input as a part of URL also. So you have to use curly bracket and curly bracket. So here you can pass CBB number. Okay, Mr. Hero. Which
Sure.
number? CBB.
CVV.
And this data, whatever data you are sending in the URL, you can read using path variable. Which variable?
Pass variable.
Path
Variable.
variable. In order to use data from the URL, you say, hey URL, I want to read you that. So like here, in this, you are not passing any CBB, so it will take this one. If you're passing CBB, it will take this particular one. No? So this CBB you are going to replace over here. Hello, only CBB is going to change, right?
Yes.
Here you want to return multiple card, not single card. No? So card one, कर लो यार. I don't have time. I'm in hurry. So we have how many cards? Two
Two.
cards.
Two.
So you can change the value 902. Amu Kumar. अरे नहीं 2022 201. Give me a second. Metro card. It's fine. Now we have. No, you have to make a list of it. I don't know how to make list. Actually, in Java 11 we have featured, but in Java 8 we have to list. Yeah. List of credit card.
Credit
Hmm.
card. Yes. List.
You have to add a
Add a
list.
list.
Layman style. Add a
Cards
list.
dot add credit card.
So here I'm just thinking we don't have any shortcut. Array dot as a list. Why I'm doing like boring style? I think this will also work. No, this is shorter compared to that. What do you say? Hmm. No? Yes, man. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I want to make a list and return it. Make sense, or you got confused? No.
That's
Huh? Credit cards. What do you say? Done. Hello. Let's run it. Allow me. Allow me. So here, where I need to do? Yeah, here. If you want to fetch credit card, so here you have to write V3
V3.
slash. After that, you can. I
CVV.
want to see two cards, right? So in enter. Oh, look. I taught you correct, right? Square bracket, the square bracket, and one credit card detail and second credit card detail. Somebody wants to fetch the particular one. The here
CVV.
you have to pass in the URL. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You have to pass in the URL the way I have coded. URL and CBV as a part of it. Curly bracket open and close. Huh?
you
So
question mark
here
and then
4
No,
5
no, no.
not question mark.
No.
No, no
Question
question.
mark is as a query
API.
param. Query param. Question mark means
Query
as a
param.
query param. Here I am sending data as a part of URI. URL you can say. What? URL or URI.
And
Now
that's within the curly bracket, right?
yeah. So whatever data you will type here, it will go to the curly bracket CBB, and this CBB data you are binding with the method parameter using path variable. Path variable means you are reading data from path variable means reading data from URI. See, uh, in this main portion of it called URL. After that, whatever you add, it's big thing that is called URI. URI is always superset of URL. Fine, done. And see, this CBB we are setting it right in the response. So here, if you write 900 whatever, so it's coming over here. Got it?
Yeah.
I hope you understand this style. Please go and do practice of it.
Okay.
And